So I brought the car in for service to investigate the water ingress. That was um, on March 3rd. And yeah, I guess it's under warranty or whatever, and the cost estimate is zero. So they actually postponed the completion date to March 10th, 5:45 p.m. And looking at the messages here, they said that well, actually, I actually told them that the discharge was about 7% per day, and I came in, dropped off the car around 68. Right now it's like 40%, um, 40, 45. I double check, but and then they were supposed to actually complete it by March 8th. So then I messaged them, if they're ready for me to pick it up, if the car's ready, and then they come up with something here. As it turns out, the vehicle will not be ready today. We're still in the testing phase for your water leak concern. It's not a concern; it's a problem. We will reach out on Thursday with an update once we know exactly where. So I sent them everything to tell them where it's exactly. So yeah, I'm just exercising patience right now and fully understanding, but it's hard to understand because the car's battery is now discharging at an extremely fast rate, faster than I would. That's like me driving around 200 kilometers is basically dropping down. So I asked them if Tesla's service is pretty good. They usually give you Uber a $280 voucher. In this case, because it's a longer repair date estimation, they gave me a lease or a rental car from Enterprise, and it's an SUV, gas guzzler. So I sent them a message here saying, do they have a Tesla service car available? Because the Enterprise car is a piece of junk to drive.